Thanks for tuning in. Today I want to do a what's in my bag and first impressions on this bag right here. It is indeed a tiny bag. I purchased this earlier this year in January and I thought it was a little overdue for a follow-up. Usually when I purchase a new item, I like to do a what's in my bag and first impressions as a follow-up, and then as needed or as requested, I can do another follow-up video after that, sharing like how I got along with it, wear and tear, things like that. So this would be the first follow-up for this item, and I'll share everything that fits inside and some of my initial thoughts, whether it was a good purchase, bad purchase, things like that. A quick description of this bag. Haven't been able to find it online or anything like that, even after I did my haul. I was looking for this style name, model name, all of that, even on the website, but I couldn't really find it. I will put whatever information I do have down in the description box, so check out more of the details there. But it is part of the men's line. It is a little pochette almost that has a detachable strap here, and then you can see on the back there is a loop to be able to wear it on your belt. So you're able to just loop it onto a belt, snap it closed like so. And on the front, there is a magnetic closure to open and close. It is leather lined with a canvas outer. You'll see there's the leather strap here as well as on the back and on the detachable strap itself. It has the silver buckle. And there's also a zipper compartment in the back, all the way in the back there. And it goes for the length of the bag. You pretty much got a sneak peek of what's in my bag, but I will still pull them all out. This is my card holder, and this is my lipstick for the day. This is the Hermes lipstick in Coral Fou. This is what I have on my lips right now. I also have a lip balm. This is the Le Boy Chanel lip balm. I like this because it's really slim and it also has more of a matte finish. It's not so like shiny when you put it on, so it's easier to put a lot of lipsticks on top of it. And last but not least, these are my keys. There are a lot of things hanging on my keys. I don't typically carry my keys in a key clay or anything like that. I leave them out like this. I just have this sturdy and well-loved Bottega Veneta keyring holder on it. Other than that, these are my keys, and that is everything. So now moving on to share some first impressions. I really like this. I think I have to call it a pochette. I mean, I carry a lot of small bags, but this is really on the small side. And I do really enjoy wearing it. I'll see if I can find some other outfit photos so you can see how I've styled it a little bit differently. But I think it's a really fun piece. Because it's not too large, the monogram doesn't feel too loud. Sometimes I feel like monogram can be a little overwhelming, whether it's from Fendi or Louis Vuitton or really wherever. I like that the strap is detachable, but I don't like this strap. Even when I first purchased this, when I saw this in the store, I straight up told my SA, I was like, oh wow, this is great, but I'm just really not a fan of that strap. It's just, I mean, it's a really sturdy leather piece and it's a thick leather strap. All of that is great and wonderful, but I'm just not feeling it with this bag. I don't know if it's like an awkward strap drop, or I think what it is I wish had like the hardware where it will swivel so that the strap can go sideways like with your bag, or it will go this way if you lay it. Do you know what I'm talking about? But instead it's like fixed so that you can only wear it like this way, and the strap doesn't have the flexibility to turn with you. And I think it's just a little disproportionately rigid for this small bag. I kind of wished it had like one of those cooler like nylon straps almost. It would have given this piece a lot more of that like sporty casual vibe that I'm getting from it anyway, and it's just, I just don't understand this leather strap. So there's a part of me that wants to change the strap itself. I'm still trying to figure out what I could use for it, and I haven't gotten to any good conclusions, but for now it's good. Like it does its job and it's okay, but it's definitely my least favorite part of this bag. I typically like to wear it crossbody and it does hit just below my chest, and it's a little high for a crossbody bag, but because it's so small, I think it works fine. I think because I don't like the strap and because it is small, I tend to wear it inside of my jacket. So if I were going out right now, I would probably wear it inside and then wear my denim on top of it so that it's just peeking out a little bit from underneath. But I find this size to be very comfortable, to be close to your body. If you were like traveling and you wanted to keep some necessities very close to you, I think this would work really great for that. Let's say I was, visiting Europe for a trip. I mean, we can only dream right now because we're all stuck inside, but you get what I'm saying. If you were out and traveling, I think like this would be good to make sure you carry like your identification and your wallet, but you might want to have another bag that's larger to carry, like water and other things that you might need as you are, touring a new place. Like I wouldn't bring this as like my only bag, but it would be good if you wanted to keep your essentials very close to your body. So it is very comfortable. This is the only way that I wear this. I know my boyfriend tends to wear it like this. Because of how the straps are, it does lay comfortably around your neck. I'm sad to say that I haven't worn it as a belt bag just yet, but that's mostly because I haven't been wearing real pants recently. As I've been staying indoors for many weeks now, I am dressing a little more comfortably. So because I'm not wearing pants that have a belt loop and that I'm wearing belts with, I haven't tried it out that way, but it looks really cool. So I'm excited to wear it that way. I just haven't had a chance to do that because I'm not wearing real pants. Also, I really like the canvas. I like that it is a canvas piece that has leather on the inside. It does give it a lot of structure, but it does also mean that the piece gets very like soft in a good way. Like I haven't had this for super long, but it's not super rigid. It is a little bit more flexible that way, because otherwise, imagine like this size bag being super rigid. You can like fit a piece of paper and that's it. In terms of size and functionality, I think it's great for running out for a quick errand when you don't need a lot of things on you. In this day and age of quarantining, I like to wear this when I am running out to get my groceries. It means I have I just need my wallet pretty much. I need my wallet, my phone when I go to the grocery store, and a place to put my keys because I have to lock the door, right? I just need something to be able to carry those items really quickly, and I don't want to fuss with like things on my shoulders and in my arms and my hands when I'm grocery shopping, because I want to be like in and out. I don't want to spend another minute longer than I really have to. So I'm very like mission driven when I go to the grocery store these days. So I'm just like in and out. Because it stays really close to my body, it's like really easy to use for that purpose. It's just really functional. I like that it has a magnetic closure, so I don't have to like worry about trying to figure out where it closes. It will close on its own just fine. But I thought it would be helpful to show some other items that fit inside for size comparison. The first item I have is my Hermes compact Biron wallet. This is a full-size wallet. I just want to put this in here so that you can see it fits, but it also gives you size reference for how large or small this actual item is. So you'll see that the Biron fits all the way, and if I move it over to the side, there's a little bit of clearance. So I could probably stick like a lip balm in there comfortably, but my keys won't fit on top of this. I mean, I could put them in there, but then it will more than likely scratch up the leather on my Biron. That's pretty much like a size reference if you're wondering. The next item I wanted to share were a pair of sunglasses. So these are just a pair of sunglasses that in a soft case. I just wanted to show that they will not fit. So there's really like no way you're going to make sunglasses fit. Maybe if you had like smaller, but the width on sunglasses don't change that dramatically. So unless you had like a kid's sunglass, like that would fit. But otherwise, sunglasses don't really fit in this bag. So it's not really good for that purpose. So if you're somebody where like you have to carry some sort of eyewear with you, this wouldn't be a good bag for that because it wouldn't fit. My phone does fit in here, and the larger iPhone 11 Pro Max also fits in here. That's like the bigger size iPhone. They do fit, but if I fit the phone, then I pretty much can only fit my card wallet and that's it. which is fine, but usually I'll have my phone in my hand or in my pocket, so that opens up a little bit more space. Do I recommend it? If you're interested in this particular item, I say absolutely. It's well made and it is at an excellent price point that I think if you're looking to add something quick and easy for you to run some of your errands and be hands-free and also have the versatility of wearing it multiple different ways, I think this is a great piece to do that. When I was purchasing this, I was also getting it with the intention of using it as a small catch-all in my larger bags. So for instance, like when I'm traveling and I want to put some things, like I want to be able to segment out some things, this is what I was planning on using as like a little catch-all, as like a little pochette inside my bag, in addition to it potentially being a bag when I am out in whatever destination I'm traveling in. So I think this is a really versatile piece that you can use in a lot of different ways, but they are very specific use cases. It is very, very, very small. I would almost even argue that a walk, like a Chanel walk, will fit more things than this will, because I can at least fit my sunglasses in a Chanel walk. This is very small. This is like a pochette with extra strap so you can wear it on your body easily. But I like it for those like hands-free and pochette-y purposes. I don't like look at this or use this with the intention of it being like a full-size bag. I hope that distinction makes sense. Okay, so that's everything. That's my what's in my bag and first impressions on this little Fendi piece right here. I think this is a really fun piece. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them down below or head on over to Instagram and I'd be happy to help however I can. I haven't really been doing a lot of outfit photos recently because I haven't really been going anywhere, but I have started a new little like mini series or project, I guess I'll call it like a color series, on my Instagram, where I share photos that have a common color theme to them. I figured it would be better to still channel some of my like creative energy into something rather than forcing myself to take outfit photos when I don't really feel like that's as relevant right now. Head on over to my Instagram and check that out. If you like this kind of content and you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Sunday. And as always, I hope everyone is safe and well. So until next time, bye!